Hey guys, welcome back to another gathering for the Oratia Bowling Club's breakfast group. It's a nice turnout of cars here today, so we're going to take a wander around and see what we got here. It's a nice 1929 Chevy. Some good work done to that. So a rat catcher. We'll see if Snap's in the back. Got to see if Snap's in the back. Ah, there he is. Hello, Snap. Good old Snap. He's a good boy. As I say, it's a nice turnout here today, so what we got here?
A nice original Model A four-door sedan.
That's cool.
67 four-door post Chevy. Nice fender skirts on the back.
Yeah, it's pretty tidy, isn't it?
39 Roadster. We just had a noisy Dodge
Challenger
go past.
Yeah.
And there's Woody's 1928 Roadster pickup. We've had that for about 60 years or more, along with his large collection of other stuff. Got the Y block in it, triple carb, and it's got genuine Thunderbird rocket covers on it. Good old car.
God, that's awesome.
Real resto, real old school HotRod.
Oh, it is, isn't it?
Yeah.
There's your one, 1934 Ford Coupe. I've seen this one a few times. It's a beautiful car.
And a couple of Chevys. Nice old sedan. Both two doors.
Yeah, very cool.
Today's 34 four door.
Yeah, beautiful car, this one. Nice yellow to that. Yeah, nice car, that one. So we got
Dave's 1966 Corvette Roadster, genuine 427, showpiece car.
Yeah, very nice.
Beautiful car.
That was nice. Yeah, good look at that. Very nice. Nice truck here.
Yeah, that's a Ford Lightning. Come out with the 5.4, I think, litre V8 with it's got supercharged as well, so they go pretty good.
Yeah, that'll go.
Dave's old sedan. How many Daves here?
Yeah, there's a lot of Daves here. 41.
Grant's 41 pickup. Along with all his other 40 pickups.
Yeah. A couple of nice 32s here.
Yeah, you don't very often see two 32 resto rods parked beside each other, one being a 3-window and a 5-window. Both red, look really good.
Very nice cars.
And note the number plates.
Yeah.
My 32 and 32 5-window. Yeah, it's quite a big difference in the bodies between the two.
Very cool.
F100.
Sounds like rat catcher's leaving.
Yeah. That's the sound of a 454.
Oh, you can watch him leave.
Yeah, and he lives down the road.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Very cool.
This is our HotRod Lincoln, the old song, the HotRod Lincoln. Lincoln V12 with the thin Hogan heads on it, triple carbs, quite a nice combo.
Very nice.
Yeah.
So this big beast out the back here.
Yeah, now that's a Rambler Marlin. A very rare car. It's the only one I've seen in my life. Of course, it's a two-door pillarless fastback model. Not many of them around.
That's the only one I've ever seen.
Yeah, me too.
Oh.
And you've got Ted's 34 four-door up here.
Yep.
Still with the old signage from the movie that it was in.
What movie was it in?
Dave, you're going to see yourself on YouTube.
Whoa!
Yeah.
So what's the story behind this one?
Well, I think it might have been Gangster Squad or one of those movies, but I definitely was one of those American gangster movies that it was used in. It was made over here.
That's pretty cool.
And
That's
beautiful,
Oh, that's a beautiful car.
beautiful, fine 55 Crown Victoria. Notice the chrome crown over the roof. That's
Yes.
why they called it a crown.
Oh, that's alright. That's good.
Hmm.
What's this?
That's
37?
the 37 Roadster. The Chrysler. Beautiful car. We've got some other nice cars too, that chap, E-Type Jag and all sorts of other cars.
That's pretty tidy, isn't it?
XK120, he turned up in 1 week. And now we have this Brad's 32 3-window coupe, real traditional hot rod,
That's
small block Chev,
Beautiful,
triple carbs.
beautiful car.
Lovely car.
That's a beautiful
It's
car.
a real hot rod, that one.
Oh, yeah.
Now, and here's Annette's Mustang. This car, a couple of months back, had a nasty shock. Some vandals got at it and kicked it in and scraped the paint and made a big mess. So she's only just had it fixed up again. So there's some real pricks around.
Mm.
And over here, 58 Ford, two-door pillarless.
Nice.
Nice rear car.
That is a nice one.
Looks the part, nice colours, red and white.
Yeah. Can't go wrong there.
Yeah. Sounds like Woody's taking off in his Roadster.
Yeah.
Let's see if he goes past.
Or is he going back the other way? It's going the other way.
Yeah. Lovely side valve 36 5-window coupe.
Nice looking car, isn't it?
Yeah.
Got the greyhound on the front.
Yeah. Oh, something's happened to the front go.
Oh, that's not nice.
Yeah. It wasn't like that last time I saw it.
Mm.
I'm sure he'll get it fixed. It looks like they've bashed it back out into shape so he can use it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good old Ford iron.
Oh, absolutely.
I'll fix that.
Yeah. Oh, guys, thanks for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more car shows videos coming in the future. Thanks, guys, again. And
if you've got a classic car and feel like going out to West Auckland on a Friday morning for breakfast, we're all here. You're welcome to come along.
this is the Oratia Bowling Club in Glen Eden, West Auckland. So all classic cars are welcome. Try and fill up this car park even more. Thanks guys again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.